Okay, y'all, so unbox with me because I have no idea what I ordered. Are we about to find out? That means that I just be spending money that I'm not supposed to be spending. I spend money like I got it because I probably don't, but I do. If that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't got it, but I do got it. Which means I always gotta hustle. I always got a way to make money. I ain't have no scissors, so you know. What did I order? I have no idea. Okay. Oh, I remember now. Y'all, Amazon is taking so long to order, like to do packages. So I got some batteries for my Blink doorbell because I be needing to see who outside my house before I go downstairs to open up the door, and I can talk to them through the doorbell because we don't do pop-ups, okay? And then I was all out of certain oils, especially the peppermint one. I still have like a bottle that I spray because I spray peppermint oil all around my doors, around the window sills. I put droplets in the cracks of my doors and like at the bottom under my cabinet. I put droplets there too. I put droplets around my garage, and I spray around the garage door, although it opens so often, so of course I'm doing it often. And I spray around the door that we enter into the kitchen from the garage. My net outside that's connected to my back door, I spray that as well with peppermint oil and water. So I mix peppermint oil and water together to make that spray. Now the bugs hate it, okay? Everything hates it because it's so strong. So I spray it. So if you come to my house, you ain't gonna see no bugs. You might see a spider every now and then. I ain't gonna lie about that. But I don't know where they be coming from, to be honest. They gangster. They gangster. And the bugs gangster here in Texas because we don't get enough warm water for them to die off. And then the lavender oil. Sometimes I will put the lavender oil in with the peppermint bottle spray. But I also like to put this peppermint essential oil in the spray that I make for my locks. And then I have diffusers everywhere because I love diffusers. But the one specifically in my room, I like to mix peppermint and lavender together in eucalyptus with the water so it diffuses in my room. But that's all that's here. And this package, y'all, Amazon's been taking so long to order stuff. I hope I got the right size batteries because I don't know. I might go and do it and take the doorbell off and put the batteries in myself. That's what I've been doing. But now that my son is back, it's like a spoil type thing because I can just be like, hey, come and do this. Because he's very handy. Very, very, very handy. Like, he can just look at something and do it. Sort of like how my daughter is with drawing. She could just look at something and draw it. And how my other daughter is with hair. She can look at a hairstyle and she go hook your braids up. Okay? So all of my kids have different and separate gifts. My son is handy. Look at something. He good. He's doing it. Daughter, hair. Look at something. She's doing it. Other daughter, drawing. She can look at something. She go draw it up. Me, baking, cooking, researcher. All type of things. All things Shazzy for a reason. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.